It is the time for us to spread our wings and combat all the illnesses of the society. Because in our veins runs the blood of being a warrior struggle in order to survive. Give your best shot in everything you do. Remember that women is not defined of how she was raised or where she came from, nor by her wealth or poverty, nor by her education or capabilities, not how she makes her own choices. Gani inday, damdama ang bilin kang imong lola, nga ang mga babae hindi lang pangkusina.